Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and let's explore these stunning summer trends and discover how you can achieve them yourself. This video will dive into the most trendy and inspo-worthy designs for almond-shaped nails that are perfect for the sunny season. From bright neon colors to elegant French tips, we'll cover it all, ensuring your nails stay on point. The glittery tips elevate the overall look, making it a fantastic choice for those who love a bit of sparkle. These nail designs are versatile and can be paired with various summer outfits, making it a must-try for 2024.